ComWeek is about 25 events. I was in charge of planning ComWeek. Hello, I'm Lou Heldman, and I'm Interim Director of the Elliott School of Communication at Wichita State University. Communication Week has a rich history at the Elliott School. I thought it ought to be called 48 Hours of Com, but Communication Week has become so much a part of the language and culture of the Elliott School that even though I was the one trying to change it, I found myself always referring to it as Com Week. It was developed really to be a festival of communication. It's the same principle. Because there's variety, you can pick and choose what interests you the most. I was interested in all of the guests, but particularly the one who stayed at my house. Ronnie Ramos, the National Collegiate Athletic Association, was interested in greatly increasing its digital imprint. They asked Ronnie to come to the NCAA and create websites and social media content. He has since presided over the growth of the staff to 15 full-time people. Yes, the One to Watch Award that honors a graduate of the past 10 years. So this year, the One to Watch Award winner was Jennifer Wright, the president of the Orpheum Theater. She's a 2010 graduate who's already responsible for an organization with hundreds of volunteers, thousands of customers, and millions of dollars in revenue. Really liked what I saw of the technology demos, featuring Darren Hackney, a local photographer. Watching the students in that session, they were fully engaged both by the topic and by the energy and information he brought to it. So that was one that I thought was pretty successful. Send ideas for ComWeek next year and be sure to come. Thank you.